different day. This video is going to be short, I reckon. It's not going to be a big one. I don't even know what I've done with suspension things. You don't have a collar on and you look naked. Just been on the phone with Wiring Specialties. They are the guys, they know what's up. They answered so many questions, and they do standalone units for like all the popular swap engines. They just come with like leads hanging out and you wire them in, and you know what I mean. Running a standalone ECU on this car, because it's like a variant for the UK where the plug needs to be longer with more pins. They knew all that, and they made me order a loom for a different standalone ECU. But it's correct because the pins are right. Anyway, that loom's on its way. Shout out to Jimmy Oakes for your discount code. So that's sick. That's on its way. That's coming. Can't do an install video of it though, because then you'll know what engine's in it. Or maybe I will. Oh, I've got bearings. I've got bearings. Let's go get the bearings. Freshies. Oh, they are delicious. I've got some bar ends for the tube that I'm going to weld in to make the bit for the stuff. That's all Dan's. Let's go throw one of these on. Oh. This is a wheel bearing we just had kicking around. The dog's coming and guarding me. Good boy. That was easy. Yeah. This is a freshie. Nice. And depending on wheel setup, might change this out for longer studs. But for the meantime, this looks nice. Nuts in here. Yeah. Oh, this is mad. It's not the crush type OEM ones. It's one of the Nissan ones. You kind of put it on and then bash these corners in to the flat parts here. These ones, it just looks like you just do them up tight. We'll try it. Send it. Big digger. I'll torque that. I will. But for now, I'm just going to throw a wheel on. Wheel on it. Oh, nice. It was only finger tight. Let's try that. Yes, I like that. Thrown on the other side. Right, anyway, that side's done. Now I need to know the torque spec, because if I don't torque it now, I probably won't torque it. Does anybody know the torque spec for, what is that, a Nissan? Nissan front wheel bearing. Bear with me. I think I found it. There. S14 front wheel bearings, 206 to 284 Newton meters, then the same in foot-pounds. That'll do. Let's do that. This is magic. Look, I can jack the wheel, stop it to... Oh no, I don't need to... oh, I've done an idiot thing on camera. I'm really not precious about tools, but this one I am. I only use it when I've got clean hands. 206 to 284, like that's a wide range of Newton meters. I'll decide something and then not tell you what it is. I reckon that's it today. That's on, and that is dreamy. It's not got a spigot ring in it, so it's probably not centered. It spins for days. We don't have a proper bender, so, well, we do. We have a really big bender. He's not very good at bending pipe. That's another thing. Sick. There's that thing on the screen. Do that. If you haven't. Why not? Yeah. Big shout out to Wiring Specialties. They know the stuff and they got the source. So impressed with them. And that's going to be mad. That's going to make it all look... I mean, it already looks sick in there. Hang on a minute. I'm going to have a look. Oh. Yeah. That's mad. Do a comment. Say there's talk spec for that, because I've probably done it to how you disagree. Seems to be the thing on YouTube. Look at that. New bearing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Peace.